I'm Venkataraman, Regional Sales Manager, Losma India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. In Losma Galileo Plus, we have different models starting from 700 cmh up to 3500 cmh. So Galileo Plus is a lot of advantages for using to keep that machine on shop floor neat and very clean environmental. Galileo is our patent product, consumes low energy, give more air quality efficiency from your shop floors. We are Losma India. We are offering that oil mist collector products, fume killers, dust collectors, coolant filtration systems, and magnetic separator to maintain neat and clean shop floor. In India, we have 15 years old company. We have a lot of customers in all over India. We have a sales and service office at um, north, south, and west regions. In south, we have handling 300 plus customers. All the major customers like OEMs, machine builders, vehicle manufacturer. So all major customers we are supplying that oil mist collectors.